we were talking about two search methods and two sort methods. I think that is very important in a list or in any situation you want to search in some data or you want to range some data. So please remember the two search and the two sort data is a very important method. So please pay attention today. So assume the list has been sorted. So today we will introduce two search first. And assume the data have already sorted. So the data will be in order, okay? So then we will use binary search to find the element in the list will be more efficient than to use the linear search. Yes, today we will introduce two different search methods. One is called binary search. The other one we call that linear search. So the linear search compare the key of the main elements with the elements in the list in order. So when we use the linear search, there will be a key just like index, right? And we will compare the list in order. So this process continue until the main element matches an element in the list, or all elements in the list have been searched, but no matching results are found. So if we found that situation, that means the data you want to search is not in the list, okay? So if a matching element is found, the list element index value that matches the main elements will be returned. So we will return the value, right? And tell you what which index value of the list. So if no matching element is found, please return the -1, okay? So this is an example. Then we try to tell you what's the situation. If the data is without ordered, so actually we'll use the linear search because we will just search one by one by one by one. So this is a function, linear search. This is a list. This is a key, right? So this is the list, and we want to find 4, right? 4 in which index is that in the list. So we will make the parameter into the function and we will call the function, right? So how can we find it in which index will have the value? So we use the for loop, right? For I in range. And this is the range will be the length of the list, right? So if the key means the value you want to search equivalent the list I, then we return I, means we can find the value in the ith index. Otherwise, when the for loop cannot find anything, then please return -1. So we will try to do this example, okay? Okay, so we try to find it. So we find this idle. Okay, we create. Okay, so we have a linear search, right? Linear search, right? And this first you will give us a provided list and then provide key, right? So it's a loop we want to find, and how many of the list, how long we have to search, because this range is from 0 till the length of the list. And of course, because the range you are -1, yeah. So it's the best way to find the list in for loop, because we will never, over list length. So the length of the list put in the range is the best for list, because list from 0 until the end, the length of the list, and range will -1, right? It's cool. And then if we find the key equivalent the list, I, then we return I, right? Otherwise, if the loop can return anything, then we return the -1. Okay, so this is the main function. So we will provide the list first. So this is the list 1. Okay, it's the one equal. Now we will try to find the example 14425 minus 362. Okay, in case I will forget it, so I put that. Okay, 14425 minus 3, 6, and 2, right? So then we want to know, please print linear search. So please we call a function, right? Linear search. And then this function, first we put the first parameter is list. The second one is what? Which one do you want to search? Maybe the 4, right? And then we do that for -4 and something without inside. Oh, -3. Okay, fine. So, okay, go. So it will show the result, right? Because the 4 is in the index 1, right? 0, 1. And -4, the list without -4. So finally we'll return -1. Yeah, you can determine what we will want to return. Okay. Okay. And the -3 is in the list, which index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's in the index 5. So the key is 5. So we return it. So this is a practice. It's a very famous linear search. It means you will search the value one by one in order in the sequence. When you find it, return it. Otherwise, when you can't find match anyone, please return the -1. So now it's your turn. Please practice it.